Hey everyone, it's Naseem, and in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you 6 passive income ideas. Before we jump right in, let's do a quick shout out. Thank you guys so much for your support and your comments on my last video. It really means a lot to me that you enjoyed my money saving tips, and it really lets me know that you guys like those types of videos. For a chance to be featured in my next video, make sure to subscribe, click the like button, and leave a comment down below. Passive income. What is it? How do we get it? Who wouldn't love to earn money while they're sleeping? Who wouldn't love to earn extra side money so that they're not tied to their 9 to 5 or so that they can retire faster? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 6 passive income ideas, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have some ideas of how you can earn a little extra money on the side. Idea number 1 that I have for you for passive income is via dividends. So how do you receive dividends? It's through investing in stocks, and particularly what I mean is investing in what's called an ETF. It's essentially a portfolio of different stocks, different assets, different companies, and in different industries. So it's essentially an already diversified portfolio. A good way to think of an ETF is to think of it as like a basket or a bundle of hundreds of thousands of different stocks and bonds within a single fund. And it's a very easy, low investment, efficient way to invest in a diversified portfolio. And usually you'll get paid out on dividends every month or quarterly, just based on that type of ETF. You don't have to worry about which companies to invest in, which ones to buy, which ones to sell. The ETF does it for you automatically. So there's tons of different websites out there that you can go check out, like Vanguard, where you can automatically start learning about ETFs and how to invest in an ETF. If you're looking for a really easy way to earn some extra cash on a monthly or quarterly basis, investing in an ETF is a great way to start. Second idea for passive income is super easy, but it's basically making your credit cards work for you. Depending on which credit card that you sign up for, they could potentially have cashback rewards or points associated with that credit card. These cards will essentially pay back a certain amount of cash depending on your purchase. And so you'll get a cashback reward anytime you use that card for a purchase. And once you've racked up enough points or you've used that card over a certain amount of time, you'll receive cash back rewards at the end of your statement, and you can use that extra cash for a next purchase or a trip. Idea number 3 that I have for you for generating passive income is to write a ebook or an online course, and there are tons of different websites out there that allow you to do this. There is a huge community out there of folks that are sharing their knowledge and they're monetizing on their knowledge. I think it's great to be able to do that on a platform. And while there is a little bit of time and work that is involved in generating an ebook or an online course, it's one of those things that once you've created it, it's like a one and done type of thing, and you can just market it and you can get people to sign up. And once you have a few hundred people signing up for your course or for your ebook, that's extra income, that's extra money on the side that you can be earning. So it's really exciting. I think it's great that we have these platforms where we can monetize our knowledge and monetize our skills. And some sites out there that you can leverage would be Thinkific, Udemy, Coursera. I've personally done this. I've created a home buying guide, and although it is not for purchase and I'm not charging people for it, it's definitely something that I'm thinking about in the future if I ever wanted to add more to it or build a different type of course. It's just something fun. I think it's a nice little side project if you want to take the time to write your own course or share your knowledge or anything that you've learned in the past that you think could be kind of published in a digital format, I think is awesome. The investment is entirely free, which is awesome, and it's starting a blog or a YouTube channel. The way that you earn passive income through YouTube or through a blog is through Google Ads, and particularly it's through Google AdSense. And so anytime you have ads running through your site or your YouTube channel, you will get a percentage of money. Anytime you have an ad that is being placed in the beginning of a video, before or after, or ads that are running on your blog, that is money in your pocket. So the more visitors you have to your site, the more people you have clicking on those ads, the more that Google AdSense will pay you. Obviously, there's a lot of different factors that are involved in how much you get paid, but it is a great way to earn money on a monthly basis while you are sleeping. Like, for example, I have a DIY red ombre hair tutorial up on my YouTube channel that has received 19,000 hits. And granted, I did take it down several years ago. I wish I didn't delete that video because it was up to 1 million video views. And I'm still to this day getting money, getting paid from ads that are running on that video that I uploaded 6 months ago. Could you imagine if I hadn't deleted my video that was generating 1 million views years ago, how much I would be making now? So it's a shame, but I still have it up and I'm still making some money from that video. I think it's really cool to start a blog or to start a YouTube channel and talk about things that you're passionate about. You could be making posts that go viral, and you don't necessarily have to be generating content every single day. Those older posts and videos are still generating views and ultimately dollars into your bank account. My fifth idea for you for generating passive income. Now, this is one that I haven't heard about a lot being talked about on YouTube, but it's one that I wish I knew about years ago. It's creating digital files on Etsy. I actually came across this idea when I was planning for my engagement party. I saw all of the different sellers on Etsy selling their artwork, selling their digital files. If you're into graphic design, if you're a creative, artsy person and you want to share your artwork but want to get paid for your artwork, then selling a digital file on Etsy is seriously for you. You don't have to do any of the printing, none of the shipping. All you do is you create a digital file of your artwork. Essentially, shop owners on Etsy are delivering their digital files for patterns and prints, beautifully designed resume templates. I mean, you go on there, you see all kinds of arts and crafts, but the beauty of the digital file is you create one digital file, one type of artwork, and you sell it online. And all people have to do is they click a button, they pay you that, whatever, how much you're charging them, and they are then in charge of downloading the file onto their computer and printing it themselves. It's a brilliant business model. I think if anyone who has like an artsy, creative background can take advantage of this opportunity and look into selling on Etsy as a way for passive income. My last and final idea for you for generating passive income is via real estate. Now, real estate does require some cash up front, some sort of an investment up front, but if you do have enough cash reserved, you can then think about the route of having a rental property. So having a rental property will generate income for you in the form of rent. So if you were to lease out that property to renters, you can get some money on the side on a monthly basis. Obviously, you do have to maintain the property and you have to manage the property. So if it gets to the point where it's too much for you to handle, you can hire a property management company. They do take a percentage out of the rent that you're charging, but it is a great source of passive income. Investing in real estate has served me really well. I think it's a great source of income and to build your equity and your wealth. Those are my ideas for you. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.